Okay, again, about to finish, I think, 24 hours again a day, basically. Nothing to waffle about again. I'm telling you, the life is very, very, boring or unwaffleable, if that's a word, or maybe I just made it. Yeah, again, today I read a bit of the book, and honestly, it really does pisses me off. Like, it is good. I wouldn't say it's good, but it's readable, and it's okay, but at the same time, it's just weird, if you understand what I'm saying. Like, why aren't you telling your friends that you have a stalker? At least you have a safe number to call. You have someone to stay over to make sure you're okay. Like, no, I shouldn't preoccupy them with my struggles. That's how you get killed. That's the survival instinct of a marmot. Anyways, yesterday I started watching Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back, or Strikes Again, or whatever. It was good. It's just some parts that I didn't understand, since like I jumped from the second film to like this one, episode 2 to this one, but I couldn't finish it actually because I felt really tired, so I just went to sleep. And yeah, that's it really. Nothing exciting. I finished physics today. No, not finished, I continued physics. I learned about the work and the energy and kinetic, the energies that are kinetic, potential, thermal, and chemical energy. I learned specifically about kinetic energy and potential energy, and like the relationship between them, and Hooke's law. It reminded me of the Hooked girl, or whatever she said, and I think they're over-sexualizing her to the point, like, God with her. And I learned about mechanical energy, and like momentum, and impulse and momentum, and the relationship between them. That's like, of course, a non-mechanical energy. And now I realize how that one game, or like one, whatever that is, works. That you hit one and the other one goes, and the other one gets hit. Now I understand it. Just basically we have the conservation of like momentum. Momentum doesn't go away. It's just conserved in the P1 plus P2 initial equals P1 plus P2 final. That's the momentum. Like, the momentum gets conserved. It just transfers from like one particle to the other. It doesn't like go away. Same thing with the mechanical energy. It's constant. It doesn't go away. It's conserved, may I say. It's like kinetic energy plus potential energy gives us mechanical energy and things of that nature. And like the non-mechanical energy is chemical, thermal, nuclear, and electrical and acoustic. But it doesn't really mean that like mechanical energy and non-mechanical energy are two different things. No, like, it's just that energy can be transformed, but it cannot like go away. It's conserved. If we have let's say 10 joules, it will stay like that way. It won't go away. Anyways, the equations are very confusing, but that are like, if you just how do we say تحفظ? If you just I don't remember. Anyways, France and Belgium is playing. Oh, Doku, be careful. Doku is playing really good. I hope Belgium makes it through. I hate the French. Fuck, God strike the French. Anyways, the equations, you basically just remember them. Like, so far I know that potential energy is M fois G fois H, and kinetic energy is 1 على زوج fois M fois velocity أس زوج. بركي I don't know why 1 على زوج that's like اللي كنضربها في الماس مكيكتبوهاش 1 by 2 divided by 2. They write 7.5, which confused me when I did some equations. I understood some equations and went to see if the application was right. I saw that they did 0.5, not 1 divided by 2, so that confused me. Hooke's law, we didn't really study it like this. We didn't study it as being negative k, like the coefficient ديال spring constant. I don't know what did I write here. المهم الكوفيسيون ديال l'allongement, I don't remember. Distance stretched compressed هذيك ديال elastic potential energy, that's not directly tied with the Earth gravity and like the potential of like, what is it called? I don't think I wrote it here. Gravitational potential energy. Yeah, that one that like moves the thingy in like the watch. I don't know, l'horloge ديال grandpa as they call it. Anyways, and that's it. Kinetic energy, energy an object possesses by virtue of its motion, and the energy an object possesses by virtue of its position in a field, for example, gravitational potential energy. I feel like good that I'm writing like information, because if I needed, I don't know, maybe this sounds extreme, but if you were like in a bunker and you needed to like formulate something and you don't know the physical laws of it, if you don't have it like written somewhere or in your brain, like the internet, let's say we have a blackout of electricity. I thought about it after like the movie Blade Runner. Like if there's a strikeout in like the internet, that's literally everything gone. Like if you don't have it written somewhere or a physical, like, it could get burned, but the potential of it getting burned, potentially not everything will be burned, something will be left, or you remember something. Unlike like if you start being so dependent on like ChatGPT, for example, that's like you're doomed if you don't like think before actually searching, or at least use Google search, because Google is a bit shitty now. You always need to add Reddit before like actually finding something useful. But still, like the fact that ChatGPT is like 33 Google searches is still concerning to me. I started learning German because I'm learning Latin language, which is Portuguese, Brazilian Portuguese. I know it has Greek. The ball. Anyways, I know it has like Greek words, but still. Sim, eu aprendi língua portuguesa. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, if it's still not a year that I've been learning it, but I had an on and off since I had school and things of that nature. I will start taking it seriously now. And of course, Vater and Mutter und Mutter. Das Kind, die Mutter, eine Mutter. Anyways, we're just getting to the basics. It's a good language to know, it's a scientific language of some sort. If a language has beta in it, I think that's enough to say that it's a very scientific language. I don't know, we'll see the process, how it goes, and like with time, since I already told you all that I did like mathematical studies next year, and that's so serious in my country, like that's super duper serious. At least not in the next year, it could be the year after. I don't know if I'm going to finish with it, probably not, since I want to do medicine. Like there's medicine engineering and things of that nature that if you do like one branch of it, you could study it. Anyways, that's it. We'll see. Now they added 1 minute every 8. Porra. No. Bister. Yeah, that's the short ending and the video too.